Hello everyone, I'm Benny from Rawsuns Technology. Today I'm going to introduce to you how to test the onboard charger module in simulation condition. We can see now on the table, this is the onboard charger, OBC board onboard charger. We have two onboard charger module that we are going to deliver to our customer in Latin America. Before shipping, we are going to do the testing. Firstly, I will introduce to you how we do the onboard charger testing. We have the voltage meter, and we have a simulate battery. This is the high voltage power source to simulate the battery. Now the battery voltage is 345, and we have two can equipment. And this one is we use to simulate the BMS, and this one we use to collect the data record. And this is the low voltage power supply to the onboard charger, and we use a computer to collect the data. Now we can see on the can Pro the status of the OBC, and now to simulate the BMS, we are going to use a PCAN view to send two messages. One is OBC BMS to OBC1 and BMS to OBC2, and we click start, and we can see the OBC is outputting the voltage according to the BMS. We open the BMS command. We can see BMS sending maximum allowed charging voltage 394.2 volt, and maximum charging current is 25 amps. And we can see now here in the meter is also 395. This meter is connected to the input of the battery, and we will do the recording. We'll do the data recording now, and we can click save the data for the first. This is the first OBC, and we will do it again to see the difference. Now it's 395. Okay, when I turn off the command, we can see the voltage will drop slowly. It's dropping to battery voltage. It means it's not charging. Okay, and now I sending the command. The BMS sending a command to the OBC. We can see now the battery is going back to 395, and the battery voltage is 345.6. Okay, this is the first one. the first onboard charger testing. Now we continue to do the second one. Firstly, I need to turn off the AC power supply, and also the low voltage power supply, and I also need to turn off the battery. Okay, and I need to change the wire. Okay, step by step, changing the wire to the second one. We have made all the marking, and this one is the PE for the AC power, and this one is the neutral line of the AC power, and this one is the lightning wire for the AC power. And this voltage plugs means the positive of the output of the DC voltage, and we also have the voltage out negative. It means the output DC power negative. Now I'm going to change the wire step one by one to the second module. According to the label, one by one. But make sure the power is off, and it is high voltage, and it's very dangerous to operate with high voltage. So be careful. Okay, now we already set the second module with all the connections. This is the second one. 2, the second one. Okay, we start the testing for the second one. We turn on the AC power, the AC input to high voltage AC input to the onboard charger, and we turn on the low voltage input to the onboard charger, and then we turn on the battery. The simulate battery is 344, around 345, and the simulate BMS is also on, and we have another CAN box for the data collection. Now we turn on the voltage meter. It shows 344. Actually is detecting the voltage of the battery power. Okay. And then we check on the screen. We check on the screen of the BMS of the onboard charger status. And this one, and we start recording the second module CAN logs. Now we can see on the second floor, the OBC is outputting voltage only 64.7 volt, and it's actually not in working. Let me restart the software again. Okay. Now we can see the data message is coming up. This is the second module, and then we see in the DBC view, we input the DBC. Okay, we can see the data is coming out. OBC is sending message to the BMS. And now we can see it's still not working. It's battery voltage. Now we're going to use the PCAN view to simulate to send the BMS command to the OBC. Okay, we can see now the meter, the voltage is going up. The OBC is working. The second one. The second module is working. Now the charging voltage is 395 and the battery voltage is 345. Okay, let us check on the second floor. Okay, we can see now OBC outputting 395 is 396, and AC input voltage is 226. OBC temperature is 28 centigrade, and BMS is sending command maximum allowed charging voltage is 394. And the maximum charging current is 25 amps. It's also sending some maximum single cell voltage and maximum and single cell voltage protection is 3.56 volt. We can see it's working fine. Thank you very much for your watching.